Hi, welcome to Hardreset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL Tab 10 Max, and now I will show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this device. So, firstly, you need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, as you can see in my charging port, there is a dirt in my charging port, and to take this dirt out, we need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. Whoa, it was a piece of paper. So, cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.